So yesterday, took the Corvette to dyno day after having the headers installed. Out here now, test fitting the new 285 or 295 3518 RE71 RS Bridgestones. I was a little worried about clearance up here on the front, but I think we're gonna be okay. I'll have to get in the car and turn it and stuff and see about that, but it doesn't look too bad to me. But anyway, you know, since doing the headers, and big reason I did this is I wanted to see before doing any kind of tunes or anything like that, what kind of power pickup, if any, you get with headers. And these are specifically the American Racing equal length headers, the 1 3/4 to 1 7/8 with the X pipe, and also stock mufflers. I don't know if that had anything to play with in the results, but basically what I was expecting with this was to see no horsepower gain, largely because nothing's been changed on the tune. The exhaust is more efficient because it's free flowing, and the scavenging effect is obviously going to be greater with these. But if the car's not really expecting that, or the tune's not expecting it, I don't think it's really going to take advantage of those things. So I figured it might run a little bit more efficiently, maybe rev a little faster or something like that, but I didn't really expect any power gains. But I guess let's go to the dyno videos and you guys can see for yourself. $269, 5 horsepower, baby. 5 horsepower and 10 foot-pounds of torque. Better than I expected.
They backed it up too.
So there it is. The new dyno run showed about a 7 to 8 horsepower increase from before. So it was 268. I guess let me pull the dyno sheet out here. I can't remember. It was 270 something. Have a look. Yep. So before it was 268, and now we're up to 276, 7.94. So call it 8 horsepower, and 14 foot-pounds of torque, over 300 foot-pounds of torque from 293. So I posted about this yesterday, saying that I was going, and seeing everyone's guesses. Gotta say, people were pretty optimistic about what these headers were going to do without a tune. A couple of you were pretty close. Quite a few people did say like 10 horsepower and 15 foot-pounds of torque, and I'd say that's about dead on of what you're seeing there. But hey, yeah, maybe not the cheapest exhaust mod to do, but really what it sets you up for is down the road, and that's kind of the plan with this thing. We'll run it this summer. Good chance probably this whole summer. It may just stay the way it is for now, but the next part of the plan for this car is to get it actually tuned, to take full advantage of the headers and the X pipe. So looking forward to getting to that point, but for now we'll enjoy the coilovers, headers, and new oil pan. And we got a month before races start, so might be a little bit longer for me, but definitely by June, be out there racing. So until next time, keep it shiny side up.